Imagine that you're standing in the middle of your home, surrounded by projects that need attention. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. What if you could either take on those daunting tasks yourself or hire someone who knows the ropes? The decision can feel overwhelming, filled with both potential rewards and risks. Consider this. Every choice carries the weight of consequences that could either save you money or lead to expensive repairs down the line. The struggle between DIY and hiring a professional can leave you feeling uncertain. Let's break this down into 10 essential tips to help you navigate this journey confidently. Number 1. Assess the risk. Think about what you're getting into. Some projects can be dangerous, especially those involving electricity or working at heights. If anything feels intimidating or risky, it's wise to call in a professional. Number 2. Evaluate your skills honestly. Are you a seasoned DIYer or a novice? Simple tasks like painting might be within your range, but when it comes to specialized jobs like heating system installations or plumbing, it's often best to hire an expert. This way, you can avoid frustration and potential mistakes. Number 3. Consider your time commitment. Many underestimate how long projects will take, especially when learning something new. If your schedule is tight, hiring someone might save you from the headache of juggling your time. Number 4. Be aware of legal and regulatory requirements. Certain projects may need permits or adherence to building codes, which can be complex. Professionals are usually familiar with these rules and can navigate them for you. Number 5. Conduct a detailed cost analysis. Look beyond just materials. Think about your time and potential mistakes that could lead to extra expenses. Sometimes hiring a professional can actually be more economical than you might think. Number 6. Think about project complexity. If a task involves intricate details, it might be better to leave it to someone with expertise. Even simple projects can become complicated, so weigh the potential headaches against the benefits of hiring a pro. Number 7. Craftsmanship requirements matter. High-quality results often require experience and skill. If you want that polished look, investing in a professional can elevate your home's aesthetics. Number 8. Check your tools and equipment availability. Some tasks require specialized tools that can be costly to buy or rent for one job. If you find yourself lacking the necessary equipment, hiring someone who has it all can save you both time and money. Number 9. Consider the emotional investment. DIY projects can be thrilling yet stressful. If you tend to get frustrated easily when things go awry, hiring someone might help maintain your peace of mind. Number 10. Reflect on long-term value. Some projects may seem manageable now but could affect your home's value later if not done correctly. Investing in a professional often yields results that enhance your property's worth and prevent future issues. Nearly 70% of DIY projects take longer than homeowners anticipate, often leading to frustration and unexpected costs. For instance, kitchen remodels can range from $10,000 to $50,000 depending on the scope of work and materials used. Being unprepared can lead to overspending. 25% of homeowners report encountering unexpected problems that can drive up costs significantly. Common DIY projects like painting and landscaping are popular choices, but come with limitations that may lead to challenges. A significant number of DIYers report facing complications that require professional help, especially with more complex tasks such as electrical work or plumbing repairs. It's crucial to understand the scope of your project and assess your skills before diving in. The benefits of hiring professionals are clear. They bring expertise and experience that minimizes mistakes and ensures quality workmanship. Professionals have access to specialized tools, which makes their work more efficient. They also save you time, navigating compliance with local building codes and regulations seamlessly while providing warranty protection on their work. As you weigh your options for home improvement projects, remember that making the right choice is crucial for both quality and satisfaction. Nearly 40% of DIY endeavors end in frustration due to lack of experience or planning. While hiring a contractor for significant renovations may seem like a big upfront cost, it often leads to better craftsmanship and can save you money in the long run. In closing, consider this. What if you could transform not only your space, but also the way you approach home improvement? The journey doesn't have to be filled with stress and uncertainty. For all the resources you need, expert advice, cost estimates, and connections to qualified professionals, visit our site today. It's designed to guide homeowners like you through renovation decisions with ease, ensuring that every project becomes a rewarding experience rather than a burdensome task. Stay tuned for more insights on how to navigate home improvement challenges with confidence. What will be your next project?